Hey guys, this is Mike with A&M. We got a call today to clean up a pond. She's got some bushes that need to be trimmed. She has a pile of garbage that needs to be picked up, and she has some other trash around her hot tub area. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and we're just gonna jump right into it. All right, so today we are gonna pick up some trash over here next to this trailer. This trash just got everywhere and animals are going through it. All right, so we got that all picked up. Here's all the garbage bags from that first part of the yard we cleaned up. It was just actually a fire pit that they were just burning their trash out here. And unfortunately, it was a lot of dirty diapers, so it was absolutely disgusting. But we got it done, so now we're gonna move on to the next part. So we're gonna just cut up this one tree that fell on the property, just throw it right on the trailer. All right, so that didn't take long at all. And here's what it looks like on the trailer. So now we're gonna move on to cutting some of these down. This is just like pampas grass and wheatgrass. She only wants it cut in half. And then along her driveway, she wants to cut everything kind of on the edge of the driveway so her car can come through easier. Pretty nice pond, if you could see it. So that's what we're gonna do next, is just come through, trim all this pampas grass and everything. All right, so we cut down. I was cutting it low, but apparently she actually wants it more high, like over here. So hopefully she doesn't get it too angry about that, but it'll always grow back. But yeah, she wants it just cut in half, and then we cut along the driveway there. And so now we're gonna move on to the other side of the pond. All right, so we trimmed all that stuff about halfway. That's what the customer wanted. If you do cut it like that, you're gonna have to cut it multiple times a year, or you just cut it, you know, once real good and probably only have to cut it once a year. But that part's done, so now we're gonna move on to the next part. We're just gonna pick up all the trash that's laid out sporadically here. All right, next we're gonna trim up this flower bed and make it look nice. We just trimmed these about halfway. Then I cleaned up the wall for them and just blew all those leaves. There was a bunch of leaves back here, so I just blew them with those. And we cleaned up this side too. The only thing there is a little car. That's a piece of trash. But yeah, so this is what the customer wanted. They just wanted this stuff like hacked in half, and they actually wanted those vines to stay. So, I mean, sometimes it's just the customer's preference. You just go off that. But yeah, I think it looks good, and now we're gonna move on to the next area. So there's actually two more areas. This area over here, just a few pots and odds and ends in the yard that need to go. And then over here, this whole area she wants cleaned as well. Around her hot tub and up there some trash. So we're gonna get to that. All right, so we cleaned up all the trash that the customer wanted here. There's some firewood down here. I'm gonna ask her if she wants to keep that. Most people don't want to throw away firewood, but who knows. And I'm gonna see if she wants us to roll up this piece of carpet. Then we'll take a leaf blower to this. We usually do a broom sweep, but we have a leaf blower, so we'll make it look real nice for her. All right, I spoke to the customer. She does want the firewood to go, so we're gonna take that and then we're gonna leaf blow everything. So yeah, it looks like a nice pond again, so let's make sure the customer is happy. Obviously, some people would say, oh, you only cut this stuff halfway and stuff like that, and the main concern is that the customer's happy, and they are happy. They said that they liked everything so far. All right, so we are going to pick up this pile of garbage today. A lot of stuff in this pile, and we're gonna just fill up the truck and trailer. All right, we got about halfway through this pile. We're gonna have to go to the dump. Our trailer is getting full. We did get a few good things: an electronic drum set, a TV, and a little sailboat that looks like it's motorized. All right, we got it all cleaned up. Took us about 10-15 minutes. Trailer's completely full. Now it's time to go to the dump. All right, so we just got back from doing that whole pond cleanup. It's the second day we were out there, and you know, cleaning around the hot tub, trimming all those bushes around the pond and everything like that. We made it look 100% better, and the customer is really happy. They even left us a review on Google, so that's always rewarding at the end of the day. And if there's anything you think I should be showing or not showing, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Also, like and subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to see more projects that we're doing. And just thanks for watching.